Puzzle Publishers. 6 software tools for low-content publishing. Puzzle Publishers contains 6 great software tools, training, monthly templates and more. The ultimate collection of easy-to-use puzzle tools. Discover the easiest way to create a multitude of puzzles for both your personal and commercial products. Web-based solutions so simple anyone can use them. Don't worry though, we have you covered with step-by-step video tutorials to guide you, just in case you need. Get instant access. 6 easy-to-use tools. Hosted in our members area. Nothing to download. Puzzle Publishers. Tool number 1, Simply Maze Crazy. Go to the Simply Maze Crazy app. Press the Generate Maze button. Download your maze. Super easy. Young kids, special needs, and other projects where you need it super simple. Step it up. Keep moving the slider up to make them more challenging. Now this is hard. Up and up on the slider to make them more hard. You can even keep going up from here. We'll leave that for you to explore. Yep, we even auto-generate the solutions for you. Tool number 2, Word Search Crazy. From super easy to awesomely complex. Make the coolest word search and number search puzzles. Make them easy. Make them hard. Create numeric ones. We also have 2 different ways to show solutions. Tool number 3, DOT to DOT Crazy. You haven't seen a dot-to-dot created this easy. First load your image. Simply load in your color in a black and white image. Auto-generate dots. Tell the program to auto-generate the first path of dots. Make adjustments and download. Add and remove dots with the click of a mouse button. The program auto-adjusts the numbers, tweak transparency and more. Finally, just download your creation. Your creation looks amazing. Tool number 4, Crazy Hangman Builder. Make your own custom hangman puzzles in a matter of minutes. Drag and drop pre-made graphic elements over to build your own crazy hangman puzzles. You can even add your own graphics too. Tool number 5, Robot Crazy Builder. Create your own fun robot characters in our easy-to-use Robot Crazy Builder. Tool number 6, Daisy Editor. Doodle Art Crazy Editor. The easy-to-use little tool to create doodles, modify images and more. Unrestricted rights to the things you create. Use your creations in a variety of personal and commercial products. Printables. Print them out. Add them to printables for baby showers, birthday parties, placemats and more. Puzzle books, maze books and more. Make your own maze books, word search books, dot-to-dots, or add them to your puzzle books that you can sell on Amazon, Etsy, eBay, and others. Physical products. Add them to physical products like coffee mugs, mouse pads, t-shirts and more. You can even make your own PLR, private label rights, packs of puzzles and sell them. Puzzle Publishers. 6 software tools for low-content publishing.